What is the Add Member tag in WhatsApp? How to use it and delete it. 2026 Guide. Ever seen the Add Member tag in WhatsApp and wondered what it does? In this video, I'll explain everything about it and show you how to use it or remove it. What is the Add Member tag? The Add Member tag appears in group chats on WhatsApp. It lets group admins add new participants directly to the group. Regular members cannot see this tag unless the admin allows it. It's basically a shortcut for inviting someone new. How to use the Add Member tag. Open the WhatsApp group, tap the group name at the top to open group info, scroll down to Add Participants or Invite via link. You'll see the Add Member tag next to eligible contacts. Tap it to add the person to the group instantly. Tip: only contacts saved in your phone or WhatsApp can be added via this tag. How to delete or remove the Add Member tag. You cannot remove it for others, but as an admin, open the group settings, tap Group Settings/Edit Group Info/Send Messages. You can restrict who can add members. Only admins, the Add Member tag disappears for normal members. Everyone, the tag shows for all participants. This is the only way to manage or effectively remove the Add Member tag. Quick summary: Add Member tag equals shortcut to add new participants. Admins control it through group settings. Normal members can't delete it, but admins can restrict it.